Mastering antecedents. Let's agree on plurals. Hello learners. Today we are diving into a fascinating part of English grammar: agreement with plural antecedents. This is a crucial concept for making our sentences grammatically correct and easy to understand. Let's explore. Before we discuss agreement, let's understand what an antecedent is. An antecedent is a word, phrase, or clause that is replaced by a pronoun, or other substitute, later in the sentence or in a subsequent sentence. For example, in the sentence, "The dogs are in the park." "They are playing dogs" is the antecedent of the pronoun they. Plural antecedents are antecedents that refer to more than one person or thing. Words like students, apples, buildings are examples of plural antecedents. When we replace these with pronouns, we need to make sure the pronoun agrees with the antecedent in terms of number. Agreement with plural antecedents means using plural pronouns to replace plural antecedents. This is essential to maintain grammatical correctness. For example, in the sentence, "The cats are sleeping because they are tired," cats is a plural antecedent and they is the corresponding plural pronoun. Sometimes people make mistakes with this agreement, especially when the antecedent seems singular but is actually plural. For instance, in the sentence, "Each of the students need their books," each of the students is a plural antecedent, so we use the plural pronoun their. However, a common mistake is to use his or her instead of their. The corrected sentence is, "Each of the students need their books." The best way to master agreement with plural antecedents is through practice. Try writing sentences using plural antecedents and their corresponding plural pronouns. Check to make sure the pronouns agree in number with their antecedents. And that's it for today, folks. We've learned about plural antecedents and their agreement with pronouns. I hope this video has been helpful to you. Remember, practice is key to mastering this aspect of grammar. Until next time, keep learning and growing.